last night? Who has a question from last night? Good for you.
49.
49. Here we go. Good job, kiddo. All right. Yeah, 49. It's kind of annoying. All right, because of the fraction. So here we go. The first thing I want you to do is move the 3x over. If the 3x is moved over, it becomes what? Negative. Good job. So now it's negative 1/4 y equals negative 3x plus 2. Is that good for you so far? What?
How do you know which one you could have just
I don't know what that means.
like, why can't you do plus 1 with 1?
You could actually, because I always say try to keep the variable positive that you're solving for. But you understand we're solving for y equals, right? We're solving for y equals mx plus b. We're always trying to isolate the y. We're always trying to isolate the y. You on that problem? You're writing it down. Now, how do I get rid of a negative 1/4?
Plus 1/4.
No, not plus anything. No. Multiply by the reciprocal. We've been saying that the whole year. How do you undo a fraction? Multiply by the reciprocal. All right? So I'm going to multiply both sides by what? Negative 4. I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 4. Now when I do that, y equals 12x minus 8. Does anybody have a problem with 12x minus 8? Distributed to negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 3. Negative 4 times positive 2.
Wait, but
Good. What?
isn't negative 4 times 2 negative 8?
That's what this is right here.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Right? And negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Hey, do you understand that? All right, now how do I graph it? What do I do?
Oh, up 12.
No.
Oh, no, it's side 12.
No.
What? You 0, 8.
0 what?
Negative 8.
0, negative 8. Welcome to the class. 0, negative 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. All the way down there. Now what?
Go
Yep.
up
Up 12 and
over 1.
up 12 over 1. Yes. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 over 1. And there's your line. Connect the dots. That's it.
So why are you going over?
That's the slope. You'll learn that tonight while you're listening to the videos. All right. It's like I said, some of you guys, I feel really bad. But it's hard if you're not here for 2 or 3 days. It's very hard, right, to get caught up. All right. Anybody have any other questions with number 49? Now, listen. Again, the rules here. You ready? Listen to me. We've been graphing. We learned a new technique for graphing. Y equals mx plus b. This is the y-intercept. So you plot that point, and then the slope was delta y over delta x. So in this case, the slope is 12 over 1. So that means you go up 12 and over 1 from the y-intercept. From the y-intercept. All right, someone else. Come on, guys. I'm looking around. I don't see everybody with their work done. What?
47.
All right, let's take a look at 47. All right, 47 shouldn't have been that hard. All right, you got to isolate the y. Isolating the y. Carter, how am I going to do that?
Minus 5.
Minus 5x. So, minus 5x. Minus 5x. negative 6y equals negative 5x plus 36. Divide by what?
6.
Divide by what?
6.
Nope. Tell him, Aiden. Divide by what?
Negative.
Divide by negative 6. Divide by negative 6. Divide by negative 6. Divide by negative 6. So y is equal to 5 over 6x minus 6. What? Very good. How do I go 6? What are you talking about? How much?
Oh, down 6.
Down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plotted a point. Up 5 and over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're drawing the line. What? That would make me wrong. Why do you think negative 6?
Because you do 36 divided by negative 6.
It is negative 6. I went down 6. That's what this is. Down 6.
I thought we were going to do
The fraction is it positive or negative?
I thought.
What is the fraction? So what do I do? No, we're not dividing.
I thought that.
Come on, Jack. I'm not giving you a hard time, man. I'm trying to help you. Come on, tell me.
Well, I thought it was like because you got negative 6 over 5.
It's negative 5 over negative 6. I'm not understanding you. Do you see that or not?
Yes.
You sure? So this is the y-intercept. So you go down 6, which is what that point is. Down 6. Then the rise over the run. This is the rise 5. This is the run 6. That's what we're doing. What? I don't care. I don't try to help someone else right now. He's the big boy. If he's still confused, he can tell me what the problem is. You good or not? Right? You hear him? He said he's good. All right? Somebody else. All right? Ava, tell me how to do 45. What do I do? All of you guys were not here yesterday. Who was not here? Grayson, you, right? You've been out some. I want to know how to graph this. How do I graph this? If you were paying attention, you know how to graph it now. Now, it's already in the right format this time. Y equals mx plus b. So what do I do? No. Listen, what do I do? Up 4. Stop there. Every single time you graph the y-intercept, this is the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept. So you go up 4. Thank you for listening. And all I'm doing is I'm pointing out, and I'm not, I'm not giving you a hard time. I'm trying to get you in the game. All right, that's what I'm trying to do. Carla, you hearing me? She's got it. Right? She wasn't here either. So if she wasn't here, that means you all could be picking this off. All right? You all could get it. Right? You understand what I'm saying, right? I explained it. Everybody who was not sure, come on. You're busy eating. You should be up here making sure you're with me. Come on. Right? So we went up 4. We went up 4. So I'm counting up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Putting a point at the y-intercept. You understand that? You understand that? Boys in the back. Thomas, you with me on this? Now, you plot the y-intercept. Next, you use the slope to find the second point. So what do I do? Up 5. And that is it. That's it. I don't know why it's hard. I really don't. Follow the directions. Aiden, you with me or not? Up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 3. So this right here was referred to as delta y, and this right here is referred to as delta x. That is up 5 and over 3, and then you connect the dots and you make your line. That's it. That's all there is to it. That's what we did yesterday. Ian, what can I help you with? Noah, what can I help you with? Some of you guys keep telling me you're good, or I don't believe you. All right, so write the equation of the line, number 39. Who's going to write that equation for me? Go ahead, Ian, prove me you're good.
So I would say y equals 2 over 3x minus 5.
You are amazing. Thank you so much. Now, if I ask you to graph that, tell me how to graph it real quick.
So you go down 5.
And then?
And go cross 2. No. Go up 2.
And?
Cross 2.
Yes, thank you. That's it. Did you understand that? Hey, what about you? You got that? Thomas, how was that? What about you, Miss Pliego? You got that? All right, then give me 39, or give me 43. What's the answer to 43? Y equals 0x. You're awesome. 0x plus 5. Now, really, do I have to say 0x? I can just say y equals what? 0 times x is what? Come on. Yes, so do I have to say anything about the 0? No, I can just say y equals what? Y equals what?
5.
5. Right? 0 plus 5 is still 0. Right? That's what I want you. If you write y equals 0x plus 5, I don't care. Just means you're not listening. What? Well, we're going to talk about 41. All right, Thomas, what's the equation for 41? I'm listening. Y minus plus 2. Okay, Thomas, thank you for the most part. All right, that's it. That's it. Now, if I ask Noah how to graph that, Noah's going to tell me, what do I do, Noah?
You go up 2.
Up 2.
And then you go to down 3 into the right.
Okay, I feel pretty good. All right, I feel pretty good. People are not here. I can't help you if you don't speak up. All right, here we go. 31. What do I have to do on this, Joseph? No, because not even in the right format yet. I want y equals mx plus b. This y is in the way. What do I do? Put your hand down. Does that say 7 plus? Divide. Why do I divide? It's what? So how do I undo multiplication? Come on, speak up. So if I divide by 7, what is my answer? What? Not just 3. We're doing equations. Y. Yes, y equals 3. Come on, Joseph. Now, how do I graph y equals 3? No, well, okay, we'll go up 3 and then what? Shh, don't. Then what? You should look on your notes what to do if it's y equals 3. Who wants to tell them what to do if it's y equals 3? Mr. Brennan, how do I graph y equals 3?
You just draw a straight line.
All my lines are straight. Not all yours are straight, but all mine are straight, Jack. You don't have to tell me to draw a straight line.
A horizontal.
Thank you. Let's draw a horizontal line. All right? Through what, though?
The dot.
No, because that dot's in the wrong spot.
That's 2.
That's what I was telling you. Y equals 3. I can't help you if you're not involved. You know, if you're just sitting there watching me, it's not helping you. Come on. Where's your pencil at? Is that a pencil? All right, thank you. All right, let's continue on. Let's see who else is listening. Is that everything? Did I do all the work? I think I've done all that. Does everybody agree with that? Now, I want someone else who's not 100% sure to look at any odd problem that includes you skippers who decide to skip school for 2 or 3 days, take a little vacation. All right? If there's something you don't understand, you got to tell me. Jack, you feeling good now? Because you guys got a bunch of homework tonight. A bunch. All right? What? You sure? Don't embarrass me. What? Ava, you good? Something on there you want me to go over? What about you? What about you, Ian? I don't think so. Thomas? Thumbs up from Thomas. I know I'm in good shape. Pliego? Yeah, what? No other questions? Oh, great. Connery. All right. Let's try to help our lost Connery here. Here we go. Look here. Okay, so now, you're right. I didn't show you how to do this one. All right? So here we go. You're looking at the line, and now you're trying to find what the equation is. So the first thing you do is you just write down y equals mx plus b. Now, where does it cross the y-axis? At what point? 2. So you write down y equals mx plus 2. Now from there, we're going to go from this point right here to this point right here. Do you agree? So that was, sorry, it's blurry. Up what? Up 2, right? And over what? That's right. So that's my slope. Y equals 2/3 x plus 2. You agree with that now? That's kind of easy. All right, that's what if you understand y equals mx plus b. It's really kind of easy. Leighton, you haven't said a word. Well, you got it all, right? Hubble, you said nothing. That's because all your work's done and you know how to do everything, right? You sure? All right, tomorrow you're going to turn in all the evens. I'm expected to be perfect. What?
Do you know where number 16 is?
No, if number 16 is not on there, then you don't have to do it probably.
Oh, yeah, there's your number. Oh, right.
Right, on the homework. Yeah, there says 1 through 14, 15 and 16 are missing for a reason.
Oh.
You're not supposed to do them.
Okay.
All right? Uh-oh. What about number 13? 13 is a special problem. It's a vertical line. All vertical lines are x equals. What's the coordinate that it goes through? Good, -2. Right? Goes through this point, -2. X equals -2. Verticals are x equals, horizontals are y equals. Carly, did you have anything? You good now? Come on, I mean it, guys. You've got to get caught up. We got a huge test on Monday, right? And you guys are ready for it. If you can do this, you're ready for it. All right? On Monday, I just showed kids how to use the calculator. So, unfortunately, there's not a video for that. But you're allowed to use calculators always. I've always said that. You ask me that since 5th grade, you've been asking me that. Same thing over and over. All right. Uh-oh, we got someone else over here.
I don't have enough graph paper to do all of
Oh, so you want me to walk over and get you the extra graph paper, or you want to get up and get it yourself?
Oh, I don't know where that is.
Oh, well, it's right over there on the corner of the desk.
Okay, thank you.
But I'll get it for you if you need me to.
Yeah,
You sure? You sure?
Yeah.
Goodness.